Hello everybody, Otmar showing you a bit about playing piano, boogie woogie and blues. In this video I'd like to show you a little exercise that I came up with to establish that chordal bluesy sound. Right hand chords, and it goes like this. So you start on, say we're in G, fifth finger, highest note G, then E with the third, B with the thumb. You could say it's inversion, the second inversion of E minor. And then you go down chromatically from here to this chord. From there you go down diatonically. From there on chromatically again. And now you change the middle finger and the middle note. Instead of this, the regular G chord, you now take the second finger and switch to G7, okay? Going one octave up. Now again, chromatic down. And then you change again the middle finger and you're back where you started. Let's do this again. It starts with this chord and it goes down chromatically. From there on, you go down diatonically. Chromatic again. From there, you change on to a G7. Back chromatically. And resolve to a G chord, to the tonic. Then if you change the middle finger again, you're back where you started. Let's do this in C. So, second inversion of A minor, or you could say it's a C6. Right, so in the fifth finger you've got the C, then the A in the third, the E in the thumb. Chromatically downwards. From there on it goes diatonically. And the diatonic scale we're talking about is the Mixolydian scale. Mixolydian goes like this. Okay, so the 7 is, as opposed to in the Ionian, which is the default major scale, is a minor 7 as opposed to major 7, right? In the C scale it would be, and in the Mixolydian it's. So again, chromatic, diatonic, until you're on C7, then chromatic again. Here you change to the C7, the middle finger not being on the C, but the second finger being on the B flat. Chromatic downwards, and resolve to the C chord. And that gives you that sound that's ever so common. I'll play a little blues with chords like that, okay? I did smuggle in another chord type, which was something like that, which is neither that nor that. But you will see that other chord types do work as well. But this is just a fairly safe bet to work with those chords. Now let's go up to F. Same thing in F. Now after you've done the first 3 chords, you could now either stay in that diatonic mode by going down like this. You could also change the middle finger to this, which is still diatonic, but you would switch the middle note, right? So again, old way was like this, and the other option you've got is like this. back to this chord, chromatic, new chord, chromatic, resolve to F, B flat. Or could also go like, now back to this one. To E flat. Thing I'd like to show you, which I think is really nice, that is to change the chord in the right hand before you change in the left hand. So the thinking behind it goes like this: 4 bars of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I went into the C Mixolydian mode with that chromaticism here. Somewhere on the 3 of the last bar of those 4 bars, of the first 4 bars, right? Let's do this again, in F. Again, if you're on B flat and going back to F, you could also go sooner to F than on the 1 of the chord change, right? So let's do this again. Still on the first one, still in F, and now going to B flat to F, and also you can also do that when changing to C, also to B flat. So we had 2 things. We had, in one of the earlier videos, we had not necessarily having to change on the 1 in the left hand of the new chord. And now it's like getting the progression done with the right hand before you actually would have to. And that gives it a very nice feeling, I think. Okay, let's hear it again in D. I'm going to G. Early to the D. Okay, let's hear it one last key in E. This has been a lot of fun. I hope you're getting something out of this, and very best wishes. All the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.